Alright, this time we're going to unbox a monitor. It's the ACER model GN246HL 3D, and it's going to be a black one. Screen size is 24 inches. It's LED backlight. It's widescreen. The recommended resolution is 1920 by 1080. It's 3D ready. The refresh rate is 144 Hz. The viewing angle is 170 by 160 degrees. Display color is 16.7 million. The contrast ratio is 100 million to 1. The aspect ratio is 16 by 9. Response time is 1 millisecond. It's full HD. The connectors that come with it are D-sub, DVI, and HDMI. Power is 120 volt or 230 volt. The power consumption is 23 watts. Standby is 490 milliwatts. Off mode is 450 milliwatts. The stand adjustment is tilt -5 to +15 degrees. Has an ACER Echo display. And the dimensions are 15.78 inches by 22.24 inches by 7.04 inches with the stand. The weight is 7.76 pounds. And we'll get to opening it up here. Okay, we'll see what's inside the box here. Like the DVI cable. This is part of the stand. This is the power cable. This is the power brick. Power cable plugs into the end there. This is the bottom part of the stand. Driver CD, operator manual, and it does not come with an HDMI. If you want the full 144 Hz, you're going to have to use DVI. But if you want to use HDMI, you have to buy your own cable.